Good night, tutor. My name is Mónica Andrea Bernal Velázquez. I am very pleased to currently work as an occupational health and safe analyst, what is also called H&E for the company DHL in the Brixton Operation Center in the municipality of Gachansipa, Cundinamarca. In my work, I must monitor and supervise all the tasks of the collaborator, who are currently 17 people, take care of team, and that there will be no work accident in conjunction with the execution of the management system of this. I am characterized be always wanting to learn, my proactivity, my health, and my contribution to society, either in the professional or operation of personal field, and what I must work on my character. Sometimes I tend to be very strict, and I can get hateful without wanting to be. For now, I want to graduate from my professional career, since it does cost my lot to move it forward due to economics uses, work uses, and family uses, since I am a single mother and I must first answer for my son and my other obligations. If I were given the opportunity to be parts of the hubs, I would contribute a lot to the development of innovation and the improvement of the production process of the company, and within it the improve every day. My short-term goals are to be able to graduate as a professional in the industrial engineering career. In the long term, I think about being able to establish myself in the company, and the long term sense of belonging in commitment, and long there a sense in the sense, if I am given the opportunity, I can develop tasks and hard position with me knowledge throughout my work experiences. I have developed in several economic sectors, from to agro-industrial sector and the hydrocarbon sector, and occupational risk managers, always providing service to the operational staff of the company and develop it. activities, programs, and procedures that contribute to excellent performance, always hand in hand with leadership in my areas as coordinator and leader of my process, providing knowledge, improvements from the field of health, safe and environment aspect, because we must give some time back to this planet that contributes so much to us every day. Thanks. Nice to meet you, Mónica Andrea Bernal Velázquez. Bye bye.